guess what? It's me again. Let's cut this bad boy open and see if there are any viable seeds for next year's attempt at growing a giant marrow. Alright, here we go. I'm going to cut the end which has been ravaged by the slugs just to see if we've got a fat monster slug in here. I'm sure we'll have more than one, and it's not going to be too hard to get into this because, like I said, it's as soft as anything. Here we go. Oh. Marrow Autopsy. Let's have a look. Oh my god. Well, let me just show you. There's definitely some seeds in there. Whether I want to touch them or not is another thing. Can't see any slugs in there though. I'm sure if I root around there will be some sluggage in there, but for now we'll put this to one side, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this end of the marrow, because I'm sure there will be some viable seeds this end. So let's give it a go. That's how you clean your saw. Here we go. Like a knife through a big slab of green butter. Ugh! Bloody wriggly thing. A bloody wriggly thing. Oh, you know, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to have any viable seeds in there. I don't particularly want to put my hand in there, but maybe if I'm feeling brave in a second. What I might do is have a root around first, see if there's anything, and then show you afterwards. It's a bit like that scene from Jaws when they cut the shark open and start digging through his guts. Alright, I've revised my opinion about the marrow and the slugs. There are no slugs in here, and I honestly think that the marrow had just started to rot. We've had some crazy weather over here in the UK this year. It's been really wet, really damp, and I think, you know, if I'd cut it 2 weeks ago, that would have been its fighting weight. It was solid as a rock. But these last 2 weeks, certainly the rain has played a major part in rotting this big boy off. I found no real viable seeds. Like I said, if there are some in there, but I'm not willing to take them just because, well, it's just a mush at the moment. However, I do have this fella to go at, and I'll definitely cut him in a week or two's time. We'll weigh him, and there may be viable seeds in that. Who knows? Right, that's it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll call it the Marrow Autopsy. This is the state of play on the plot in early October. Everything has to be dug over. I'm going to dig the rest of the plant into the beds now. Well, not right now, but over the next couple of weeks. Put it to sleep over the winter period, and then start again in March next year. Alright, thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit the like button if you like the video. Please do subscribe to the channel, because that always helps. But most importantly of all, do comment down below in the comment section. And in the next video, we'll take a look at marrow number 2. Alright, until then, bye for now.